Welcome to the channel that makes financial education accessible to everyone. In this video we will cover the 7 steps to build wealth in the stock market with SPYD and VTI index funds. We will also uncover simple and effective strategies to grow your wealth. Alright, let's get started. Let's discuss why SPYD and VTI are great long-term investments. These two index funds pay dividends and average around 10% growth. So for every $1,000 you invest in one of these index funds, you can expect an average return of $100 annually, all from your $1,000 investment, no work required. This is making money work for you. VTI stands for Vanguard Total Index. When purchased, it gives you broad exposure to the market, meaning you now partially own all of the companies in the US stock market. As you can see, this is why it is a safer bet to own the market, rather than just investing in individual companies that could go bankrupt. Sears, if you remember, used to be the original Amazon before there were online stores. Now, it's gone. Along with the money invested in it by shareholders. The same is true for the original Netflix. Who remembers Blockbuster? Good times back then. Anyways, this is exactly why index funds are so much more powerful than buying individual companies. SPYD, which stands for Spider Portfolio High Dividend, is an index fund that focuses on stocks within the top 500 companies in the US stock market that pay out the most to their shareholders. You become a shareholder once you buy stock, meaning you bought a piece of a company or companies. Dividends are your scheduled payouts for owning the stock. The more volume of stocks you own, the more money you will be paid out in dividends. Imagine your hard-earned money, earning you more money, all as you go about your usual day. This is what investing is all about. Ironically, people are so paralyzed by the thought of losing money that they instead choose to keep their money in cash. This means now you're losing 4% of your money's value annually. This loss is guaranteed due to inflation. Allow SPYD and VTI to help you grow your money instead. Here is how. Step 1. Open an investment account with apps like Stash or Robinhood. Buy VTI and SPYD stock monthly. Even if you start with just $50 a month, you'll become a better investor with time and participation. Never invest all that you have. If your stock loses value and you need cash immediately, selling will cause you to lose money on your investments. Step 2. Make sure to have an emergency savings fund. Keep it in a savings account such as Capital One 360, High Yield. A high-yield savings account pays you enough interest to protect your money from inflation. Your emergency fund should be at least $1,000, but we recommend growing it in the high-yield account until you have 3 to 6 months of expenses. If you choose parking your money in a regular bank, you'll lose 20% of your money's value every 5 years. Step 3. Small amounts can grow significantly with compounding. Even if you start with just a few dollars, the power of compounding can turn those small amounts into substantial wealth over time. The key is consistency. By regularly investing, no matter how small the amount, you allow your money to grow exponentially. Remember, every dollar you invest is a seed that can grow into a tree of wealth. So don't be discouraged if you can only invest a little at first. The important thing is to start and keep going. Over time, you'll be amazed at how those small investments add up. Step 4. Set up automatic investments. Aim for $100 a month or more to multiply your money faster. Step 5. Diversify. Index funds do this for us, but also consider different industries and sectors. Step 6. Reinvest dividends using the DRIP method. Allow your earnings to make you more money. DRIP stands for Dividend Reinvestment Plan. Step 7. Be patient and optimistic. Building wealth takes time. This means you'll need to emotionally prepare yourself for long-term wealth building. Remember, this way of thinking is part of the wealth lifestyle. Master this mindset, and you will feed your inner millionaire. Follow these simple steps to watch your money grow. You've got this. Like, share, and subscribe if you found value.